So there are always it's in the nature of auction-driven markets that they will overshoot and undershoot. I mean, one simple data point you can look at is look at the price of any stock on the NSE or BSE and look at the 52-week range on that stock. You know, it might be 50 to 150 or 100 to 200 or 500 to 1000. It's like a 50%, 100% swing in 1 year for almost every stock, like all 5,000 stocks, right? But if you look at, for example, the cost of an apartment in Mumbai, for example, you know, apartment in Bandra or Juhu or someplace, and you have a friend who's a broker or an agent, and you go to him every day and say, what is my flat worth? He'll say, your flat is worth 3 crores. And then you go to him the next day and say, what is my flat worth now? He'll say, it's still 3 crores. And then you go to him after 1 week and you ask him again, what is my flat worth? He'll say, listen, idiot, it's still 3 crores. And you keep bothering this guy every day. And then maybe after 3 months, he might say, you know, it's actually 3.1 crores. You know, it has moved a little bit. It's 3.1 crores. Now I can get you 3.1 crores. And then maybe in 6 months or 8 months, if you keep bothering him and he's still your friend every day, maybe it becomes 3.3 crores in a year or something. Okay, possible, maybe 3.5 crores, or might go to 2.5 crores. You know, the fluctuation rate of that flat is not going to range between 3 and 6 crores in a year. It's going to be like 2.7 to 3.3 crores. It'll be in a very tight band because that price is not being set in an auction format. It is being set with an intelligent buyer facing an intelligent seller. And when you have intelligent buyers facing intelligent sellers, you get great price discovery. But when you have these, you know, auction-driven markets, which is the NSE or BSE or New York Stock Exchange, you will get much wider swings. And so if you're in the business of investing where you are dealing with auction-driven markets, just this phenomena of the 50% swing means at some point the stock is mispriced. It has to be it has to be either underpriced at some point or overpriced at some point, because the real value of the business cannot change 50% in a year for most businesses. So hence we have proved that there is always value in investments and markets.